Now, how do you reset your Fire TV stick remote? You turn off your TV, your Fire TV stick, from the outlet or from the back of the TV. So I'll be turning it off from the outlet, and we'll be turning it off for around 60 seconds. So while we have restarted, turned off our Fire TV from the outlet for around 60 seconds, we are going to do something else on our remote. So we're going to come to our remote. We're going to press the back button, the menu button, and then this left button for around 12 seconds. After you hold it down for around 12 seconds, you remove the batteries from your Fire TV remote. So we take out the batteries and basically have it disconnected. After taking out the battery, we will now turn on our Fire TV stick again, so that it comes on. After it comes on, we will allow it to give us a notification. The notification is going to be that it is not saying the remote, so the remote cannot be detected. So let's allow it come on. So if you've done everything right, after your TV comes on and your Fire TV stick restarts, you are going to get this notification on your TV. We cannot detect your remote. So let us insert our batteries back and try to have it detect our remote. So the idea is that it is going to reset everything and have it detected. So this is it. If your remote still isn't working, you need to reset it. But now we've already reset our remote, so it should work just now. So let us see if this will work. So it should start working pretty much after this. So thank you so much. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be seeing you in the next one.